Namaskara everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. When winter wind starts blowing and cravings hit hard, only one snack feels it right. Hot, crispy egg pakodas. Golden outside, soft inside. Let's make it step by step. Now to the boiling water, add eggs. Followed by a pinch of salt. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Now to the large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of finely chopped onions, followed by half cup of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and handful of curry leaves. Now 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix all the dry ingredients. Sprinkle some amount of water. Mix well. Add oil to the pan, let it heat up. Now take the boiled egg, cut it in half and keep it ready for coating. Spread some amount of onion mixture on the left palm. Place the egg half on it and coat the egg completely with the onion mixture. Once the oil is nice and hot, now gently drop the coated egg into the hot oil. Keep flipping the pakodas for 2 to 3 minutes. Deep fry them on the medium flame until it turns nice golden brown color. Now remove from the hot oil and serve it hot immediately. Here are crispy egg pakodas served with tomato ketchup. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.